What's up everybody? Lucky here. In this video I will show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive without using any third-party softwares. Without any time waste, let's get started. First of all, to do this we need a pen drive. I'll name it as Windows 10. To proceed further, first, format the pen drive. Select the version of Windows, which do you want to install. I'm selecting Windows 10. Right-click on ISO image file. And, click on Extract Files. Then, select your pen drive. I named as Windows 10, and hit OK. The process of extraction will take some time. I will skip it. OK, the process of extraction was successfully completed. Now this pen drive was ready to flash or install Windows 10 in any computer.
Thanks for watching my video. Like the video if you like. Share. If you have any doubts, leave in comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.